Hi viewers, if anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. One news for you all you are known that inter results has been released few days back. Now the short memos has been released by the AP government. So the AP board has been released short memos you can download because due to the lockdown or due to this corona effect you are not able to go to college or to download your memos. Before going to start my video, I need to give a small introduction about my channel. My channel is all about the educational and about the free online courses and about all updates regarding education. If anybody are new, you can subscribe my channel. It really benefits for you, including AP government too. And coming to the video, in this video I am going to show how you can download your short memos in your mobile phone only. If the same procedure is applicable to the desktop also, but I am showing for particularly mobile. You can download through your mobile only easily. Okay, first this is the website of the Andhra Pradesh government of educational news. You can download your results or your short memos in this website only. This website is nothing but biep.government.in. Open the Google and type biep.government.in and you can coming to this web page. Directly we will come to this web page, and this is the main web page, and you can see here in this website APBIE, and the main menu button has been displaying, and after that students, colleges, and you can see here it is the web page has been displayed. Here you can see short memos are for first year and second year general are available for downloading. Short memos are available for downloading for second year and first year also, but for the second years at the day of 15 at 5 p.m. they have been released, and for second year vocational at 5 p.m. on 16 they have been releasing. Okay, if anybody want to download, if anybody are interested to download, you can watch this video, otherwise you can skip this video. If anybody want to download, I will provide link in the description box. You can download through that. Here you can see menu button. You need to click on the menu button. After clicking on the menu button, here you can see the categories they have been given about the dashboard, gallery, applications for opening new colleges. But you need short memos, right? That's why you need to click on the short memos. After clicking on short memos, you can visible that in the below of the web page. You can see first year general, second year general, like that you will see some of the options. You need to click on that options particular about you. Like if you are from first year, so you can click on the first year general. If you are from second year, you can click on second year general. Vocational also, first year vocational has been released, second year vocational also has been released yesterday 7 p.m. If you are interested to download that kind, you can download. Okay, click on second year general. I am clicking on second year general. You can see the same procedure applicable for the first year general also. You can see, first of all you need to download your short memos. For that you need only two. One is your roll number and second is your date of birth. As you know that it is as same as results only, like how you can download your results print, like that only you have to download your short memo print. Just type your roll number and type your date of birth, you can download your short memos. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe.